Have you ever wished you could save your gameplay highlights without the hassle of constant recording? Well, today I'm going to show you how it's done. But first I have to mention that you need an Nvidia GPU. For this video, I will be demonstrating it using an Nvidia RTX 3070 laptop GPU. So first, open Nvidia GeForce Experience. On the top right, click on the settings icon. Then make sure to enable in-game overlay. Now press Alt and Z. This overlay is what we enabled earlier. So, go to Instant Replay and click on Settings. Here are all the settings that you can change for the recorded video. Let's talk about how this works very quickly. Your Nvidia GPU has a dedicated chip for encoding videos. This chip encodes the video all the time with Instant Replay turned on. But it doesn't save the final video. It basically records indefinitely until you tell it to save the last minutes or seconds you desire. So I set it up to save the last 2 minutes. Next, we have 3 presets for quality. This essentially controls the bitrate, with high going up to 50 megabits per second and low going up to 10 megabits per second for 1080p 60 fps video. Alternatively, you can specify the bitrate that you want, but this has a twist and I will tell you more about it later. You can choose the resolution from 360p all the way up to 8K if you have an 8K monitor. You can also choose to record 30 or 60 frames per second. If you want to record the microphone audio alongside the video, go back to the main overlay, then click on the microphone icon. Click on Always On. It will record the audio all the time. Now by default, the microphone audio will be merged with the original audio of the gameplay. If you want the audio from the microphone to be recorded in another track inside the video file, click on Microphone Settings. Make sure to select Separate Both Tracks. You can also change the volume of the tracks if you want. Then click on Save. By default, it will save the files to the Videos folder inside the library. To change the default folder, click on Settings, then click on Recordings. From here you can choose whatever destination you want. Now let's show you how to save a clip. To start recording, you have to turn on Instant Replay. You can turn it on by pressing the keyboard shortcut Alt-Shift-F10. Now it will start recording indefinitely without saving. To save the video, I have to press Alt-F10, and now the video has been saved. We can check if it's recorded properly. To record in the highest possible quality, we have to choose the highest possible bitrate, and that's by selecting a higher resolution than 1440p. If you select 4K, you can assign bitrates up to 130 megabits per second. This won't record the video in 4K, but it will give the resolution you have more bitrate, which results in a higher quality recording. This really can enhance the image quality of the recorded videos, but at the same time, it will take up more storage space. Nvidia for some reason caps the bitrate of 1080p 60 fps videos at 50 megabits per second and 80 to 90 megabits per second for 1440p videos. It's worth mentioning that Nvidia is using H.264 codec for all recorded videos except 8K and HDR, so lower bitrates are not a viable option for this codec in my opinion. If you want even more control over bitrates and codecs, watch this video where I show you the best recording settings in OBS. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.